Imagine a wooden ship named the Theseus. Over decades of sailing, its planks begin to rot. One by one, they are replaced with new, sturdy oak. Eventually, every single mast, sail, and nail has been swapped out. Now ask yourself, is it still the same ship? If you say yes, then consider this. What if I took all those old, discarded planks and built a second ship? Which one is the real Theseus? This isn't just a riddle for sailors, it's the riddle of you. Think back to who you were exactly 10 years ago. Think about what you wore, who you loved, and what you feared. Are you still that person, or are you just a stranger living in their skin? Most of us live under the illusion of continuity. We believe there is a permanent I sitting behind our eyes, a CEO of the soul that stays the same while the world changes around us. We rely on this belief for everything. Our relationships, we promise to love someone forever. The law, we punish people today for crimes they committed decades ago. Our memories, we look at old photos and say, that's me, not that's a person who looks like me. We like to think of our lives like a book. The chapters change, but the protagonist remains the same. But science and philosophy suggest the book might be writing itself, and the main character, they're being rewritten every single day. Here is where the doubt creeps in. There are three massive leaks in the idea of a permanent self. One, the biological leak. Your body is a construction site. Every 7 to 10 years, most of your cells have regenerated. Your skin is new every few weeks. Your skeleton refreshes every decade. Physically, you are almost entirely a different collection of atoms than you were in 2014. The psychological leak. The end of history illusion is a psychological phenomenon where we recognize how much we've changed in the past, but we stubbornly believe we won't change much in the future. But look at your old journals or social media posts. The things you valued then, your ride-or-die opinions, often feel cringy or foreign now. The memory leak. Every time you remember an event, you aren't playing a video recording. You are reconstructing it. Your memories are filtered through who you are now, meaning your past is constantly being edited to fit your present. If your body, your thoughts, and your memories are all different, what is actually left of you? To solve this, we have to break identity into 3 layers. Layer 1, the narrative self. This is the story you tell yourself. You connect the dots of your life to create a character. You are the same person because you claim the history of that 10 years ago version of yourself. You've inherited their bank account, their debt, and their family. Layer 2, the pattern of change. Think of a whirlpool. The water in a whirlpool is constantly moving and leaving, replaced by new water every second. But the shape of the whirlpool, the pattern, remains. You are not the water, the atoms. You are the pattern, the personality traits and tendencies. Layer 3, the witness. In Eastern philosophy, there is the idea of the observer. While your thoughts and body change like clouds in the sky, your pure consciousness remains. You are the space in which all these changes happen. So, are you the same person you were 10 years ago? The answer is no, and that is your greatest superpower. Strictly speaking, you are a different physical and mental entity, but you are linked to that past person by a chain of cause and effect. You are the version 2.0 of that person. The beauty of this realization is freedom. If you aren't the same person you were 10 years ago, you're not trapped by their mistakes. You're not beholden to their failures. You are a flowing river, not a stagnant pond. You're a process, not a product. 10 years ago, you were a different person who made the best choices they could to get you to where you are today. Your job now is to do the same for the person you'll become 10 years from now. The you of today is just a bridge. Make sure it's a strong one. If you could send a one-sentence message to the you of 10 years ago, what would it be? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you feel this argument is worth it.